Ever tried to Shazam a background track before the voiceover cuts in? Or uploaded private files to sketchy websites? To solve this, I built Sonic. As you can see, launching the app brings up a clean onboarding screen to help set up your workspace. You enter your name, pick a theme, and you're in. You simply select a video from your device and hit start to run a completely local scan, ensuring your private files never leave your Mac. When the scan finishes, it drops you right into the playlist review, showing the tracks it successfully recognized. If you want to find specific moments, you can open the native player and scrub right through the timeline. And using these edit controls, you can manually adjust the track title, artist, or correct any information. Back on the main screen, when everything looks good, you just click to export your playlist. You can connect your account to export the tracks straight to the Spotify platform, instantly creating a new playlist. Or you can export and open the matches directly on YouTube. Moving over to the sidebar, the library shows all your past scans, safely saved locally and with a clean design. Up at the top right, you can toggle into this grid view for a cleaner look at your collections. And if you click the edit icon, you can choose a custom cover to personalize the artwork. Down in the bottom left, you can open your settings. While we're looking at this, I should mention the back end. I had limited experience with Rust before this hackathon. I built the entire project inside Codex, using the GPT 5.6 Terra model to write the audio extraction code. Fingerprinting is heavy, and my first attempt locked up the app. Terra helped me move the FFmpeg downmixing to a background thread, keeping the UI smooth. Speaking of the UI, you can also easily tweak the appearance here, like switching between light and dark modes. And finally, Sonic runs quietly from the native macOS menu bar. Figuring out how to package external binaries in Tori so the app wouldn't crash on someone else's computer was a massive headache. Having Codex and the GPT 5.6 models generate the exact configuration I needed genuinely saved me hours of trial and error. All of this was possible because of Codex and GPT 5.6 frontier models. That's Sonic, from video to playlist, instantly.